How to add transitions to Instagram Reels. So let's head to the Instagram app. Now you want to head to your stories and select the option of Reel. You can either record some clips or you can select some from your gallery, but make sure that you select multiple videos or that you take multiple clips. After you've recorded or selected all of your clips, you want to click on Edit Video on the bottom left corner. Now what you want to do is you want to go to these spaces between these clips, and if you click on it, you'll see the option of transitions. You can choose any cool transitions for the video. If you want to apply the same transition for all of the clips, then you have to click on Apply to All. As you can see, I have 3 clips and the transition has been applied to all of them. Now all you have to do is click on the blue arrow and your Instagram Reel with the transition is ready. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.